change will come. So it's time. I am so grateful to Northeast Student Organization that they organized this event and they brought people together because there is a cause. 6 people died for no reason. They were just sitting in a truck traveling from point A to point B and somebody comes and shoots them. But you have to understand, I'm from legal fraternity. You have to understand there's a thing called Disturbed Areas Act. Until unless the state government imposes Disturbed Areas Act on a certain area, Armed Forces Special Powers Act cannot be included there, cannot be implemented there. So the state government is also liable if somebody dies. Section 3 of the Armed Forces Special Power Act says that until unless the state government wants them to be there, they cannot be there. The state government invites them there, and once invited, they will not leave for 3 months. Don't you think the state government is also answerable, equally answerable as the central government? What business does the army have in civilian areas? And all the people sitting in Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Gujarat, if they are supporting AFSPA in certain areas, why don't they call their chief minister and tell them impose AFSPA in their area as well? Let them see how army treats law and order. This is not the way it should happen anymore. And until unless you unite and speak collectively, it's not going to change. So unite. The first thing is unite. You're not Khasi, you're not Garo, you're not Meitei, you're not Naga, you're not Arunachali. You're just people and citizen of India and nothing else. And you deserve equal treatment and equal protection of law as promised in Article 14. This is not the way, and it should not continue like this. This should be the end of it. You should speak so loudly that even the deaf can hear you. You should write so clearly that even the blinds can read you. This is the